I love this look so much. Like, I feel like I'm about to step into a safari. Like, thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you know when the next video is uploaded. Today, I want to do a giraffe themed make. And I know you're probably like, a giraffe? Yes, a giraffe. Giraffes have really nice print. And they're just cool animals. So my brows are already done. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a really light concealer. This concealer is from LA Girl Pro Conceal and in the color Porcelain. As you can see, it's super light. Definitely not my regular go-to color for concealer. And I'm going to be using a small paintbrush. This is kind of the paintbrush that I use for like cut creases. Because for this look today, I want to carve out the shape that I want. And we're going to be filling it in. So I'm not even going to prime the entire eye. So I'm going to show you what I mean. Oh, and this paintbrush I got from like Michael's. Any craft store you can get that. So I'm putting some product on my brush and I'm literally just gonna carve out the shape that I want. So first I'm gonna start right here because I want to see how high I need to go, like your regular cut crease procedure, and then so I'm literally carving it out. Give myself a little wing here. And then I can go ahead and fill that in. So this is pretty much the shape I was going for. So now I'm going to take, this is Eco Tools large shadow brush. And I'm literally just going to take that and set that concealer so that we don't get a lot of creasing. Okay, so now that I have the shape that I want, and they're fairly even, of course we can clean up this bottom here when I do my foundation and everything, but I'm pretty satisfied. I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to use this kind of yellow dandelion kind of color. And this brush, what is this? This is a Morphe M167. It's like a flat rounded brush. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to take that like yellow color, and I'm literally going to fill in this entire outline that we have here. Again, make sure your concealer is set, because you really do not want that creasing. Okay, so it should look something like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the other eye. Okay, so this is what you should have. Yes! Okay, period. Now it's time to make this look a giraffe. So I'm gonna be taking some brown face paint. And I have this paintbrush. It's pretty skinny for precision. If you look at the giraffe's prints, they have like these square-ish kind of shapes. So literally we're just gonna have at it. I don't think the two eyes will match exactly, but they will be a giraffe print. Okay, period. Whoa. Okay, so this is the first eye. As you can see, my giraffe is popping though. Okay, popping. Y'all need to zoom in real quick. Popping. This is our first giraffe eye. The other eye is probably not going to be exactly the same pattern, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's a giraffe, you know, like this one, then we're all good. Next eye. So now we are here. I have both of my eyes done with my print. I kind of want to add just a little bit more. I'm going to go into my Zulu palettes from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this brown, and then I'm going to take this Morphe M443 brush that looks like this, and I'm literally just going to take that brown and kind of outline this print that we have here. So I'm literally going to pack that brown into the crease, being careful to really just outline. Yeah, I think that's gonna add. We're missing. Yeah, that added just a little something something. Then I'm going to take this Morphe M213 and I'm just going to blend out that brown just a tad. So I'm just going to kind of smudging it out. Okay, that added, I like that. I like that. Okay, see what we did there? So now I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other eye. I like that. Okay, so this is what we have now. That really added to the look. It really did. It really did. Focus. Thank you. That really added to the look. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and put on my lashes, and we're going to keep this train moving. Okay, we are back. Took off the bonnet, got some earrings. I have on my lashes, my foundation, everything. Face is done. But to finish up this look, first I want to take some eyeliner. This is a white eyeliner. This is called Hellcat from Il Makiage and Rico Nasty. It is literally a white eyeliner. And I'm going to put that on my waterline. Whoa, that looks so creepy on camera. But okay. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M213 brush again from earlier. I'm going to go back into that Zulu palette with that brown that we used. And I'm going to put that right under the white and kind of help blend it out. Okay, you see, that really tied the look together and definitely toned this white down. Boom. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. And that's it. Okay. I love it. Okay, then I'm going to apply some mascara. This is from Essence. This is their Lash Princess False Lash Effect. And I'm going to apply this to the bottom lashes. Okay, so now I want to add some Trophy Wife from Fenty. I'm going to add that, whoa, in the corners of my eye, and I'm going to use, this is Eco Tools Liner Smudge Brush. This is the brush. And I'm going to just tap a little bit of Trophy Wife in my inner corner. And then I'm going to put a little bit of that to highlight my brow. Okay. I like that. For my lips, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle matte lipstick. And this is a brown lipstick. And I think I'm going to apply this all over my lips. So I just lined my lips and I just thought of something really cool. I think I'm going to do an ombre with the colors that I used to make our giraffe. So I'm going to go back into that Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette with that yellow that we used. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. It's very subtle, but this brush is actually the brush that came in one of the Rico Nasty and Il Makiage palettes. So I'm literally just putting that yellow on here and just placing it so that we can get that ombre. Okay. I'm gonna keep packing it in there until that color stands out. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I'm gonna line my lips just a little bit. That is cute. Okay, do y'all see? Wow. This is cute. So yeah, I used that yellow that we used for our giraffe and I put on my lips so that we have an ombre that's like our giraffe. Now to leave it matte or glossy. I don't know. I like the matte, but let's do gloss. Let's do gloss. I'm gonna add some gloss to top this off. This is just some lip gloss from the Bee Supply store. This one's actually pink, but that's okay. Smells like watermelon. Boom. Okay. Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay, so this is what we have. I love the gloss. It really spiced it up even more. Yeah. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do is set my face. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. I absolutely love this. I know I say it every time, but hey, it's the truth. Okay. I have to say, I love this. I love this. It is definitely more wearable than I thought it was going to be. Like, I have to do this again. I have to wear this out. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for watching and making it to the end. Shout out to you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on so you know when the next video is uploaded. This is hot. 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 Anyways, thank you guys again for joining me. Wishing you love, health, wealth, and happiness. Peace.